What I find most rewarding about my work on the annual conference is working with the committee members. They have a lot of knowledge and expertise. I love the fact that they're willing to volunteer and share their expertise. They work to review proposals for the annual program. They work with prospective speakers, and all of this is on their time. I'm most excited about PALTC24 because of the location. San Antonio is fabulous. The Riverwalk, the Alamo, shopping, restaurants. We'll have a ball while we're learning and connecting with each other again. The most challenging thing about planning a program for AMDA's diverse membership is the diversity. We have nurses, physicians, social workers, therapists, pharmacists. So everyone has a different discipline. We have a difference in experience. Some people come in with no long-term care experience. Others have 30 plus years of experience. And then people learn in different fashions. So we have to have a little bit of something for everyone. Some people like the lectures, other people like workshops that are more interactive, and we'll have all of that in 2024. So in 2024, there will be something that is very different, and that is we will start the conference on a Saturday and end on a Tuesday. So the dates for 2024 are March 9th through March 12th.